Stampers, welcome back to my studio today. I always love having you back for some craftiness, and today's card is a holiday card. It is so easy. It'll take you less than 10 minutes, but the most gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, elegant card you could ever imagine. It is done with one of our dies from Impression Obsession, and it's just, like I said, just one die in one, but they come out separate. So let me just show you how quick and how fast this is. I'm going to start with some black cardstock, and I'm going to use some of our Tonic gold mirror paper. This right here is very, very beautiful, but I never waste paper. So if this is going to be under a layer, which it is, I'm going to actually take and cut this from here. So I'm going to make it so that I don't get too close to the edges, because I do have a border around here. So I'm just going to take and throw this onto my Tim Holtz Vagabond and run it through. So this is how fast this card is, but so very pretty. Okay, and here's our die. Here is our Merry Christmas. Let us grab our bloom tool from Fun Stamper's Journey. Look at this. So there's the first piece. I'll just lay them out there. And then here is my Merry Christmas is down here. See how easy they just come out? So very easy. And then the last one is the Christmas part. Look at this, we're almost done with this card. Isn't this beautiful? Let me move the Vagabond out of the way and we'll get putting it together. Let's just make sure we've got everything poked out here. So I'm going to take my bloom tool and just, there, those are all out. And those are all out. You see how versatile this is? You can use each one of these pieces all by themselves. So, and that one's already out. All right, so if I wanted to use this as a little ending piece, so you could say, let me see, here we go. Look at that. You can use it as a decorative piece. It doesn't have to be the tree, but for this one, we're going to use it for the tree just to show you how fast and easy this is. All right, so remember I told you that I cut this out of here. So this is actually going to be a layer, and then my black piece is going to go over the top. So there is absolutely no waste in that little, there we go, in that little piece of paper. All right, and we've actually utilized all of it. All right, so now let's start putting it together. I'm going to start by adding this first with my Easy Glide from Fun Stamper's Journey. All right. And then we're going to add this layer over the top. This card is over the top. It's just so very pretty and so elegant. All right, and then we're just going to start taking and adding these pieces right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to use my Gina Connect glue. It's got a beautiful tip on the end of it, and I can just take and just add little drops. All right. Now I'll start at the very top here and just lay it down. Okay, there's my first piece. Now let's do the Mary. And like I said, you can use each one of these pieces all by themselves, or put it all together like I just did, and you've got the most beautiful. And you notice I'm not putting the glue everywhere. I'm just kind of dabbing it randomly. Okay, we'll add our Christmas here. And that's all there is to this card. Now I am going to do the inside with just a saying, and let me just grab there we go. Just a little glue came out on the side here, so I'm just taking my bloom tool. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so there's that. Now the inside, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Irish Christmas saying and let's put the top on our glue. I'm going to take the Irish Christmas saying and just use that for the inside of my card. So I'm using my Tim Holtz stamp positioner here. There we go. And isn't that so very pretty? I'm going to do the middle part of it. It looks a little bit light right there. So I'm just going to do the middle part of it just one more time. Beautiful. Again, this saying right here, the Irish Christmas blessing, is also from Impressions of Obsession. And it's just such a pretty little stamp. All right, so there is our saying for the inside. So I'm just going to add some of my adhesive to that. And like I said, this card is less than 10 minutes, and look at the gorgeousness of it. It is so, so very pretty. And you've got a card, and you can do multiples of these with no problem. You get your stamp positioner for the inside of it, and there we have our card. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? So pretty. If you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. All of my affiliate links are below. This is from Impressions Obsession, and you can either click on that link or the Simon Says link and get this one. This one is called Merry Tree. Okay, the name of this one from Impressions Obsessions is Merry Tree. Just click on my link below and you can purchase it. If you have any questions, like I said, you can get a hold of me. All the information is below. You take care, have a great day, and thank you for stopping by.